Hi, welcome to the lecture SolidWorks. In this video we are going to see the commands of splines. There is number of splines. Let me see one by one. First let me go for the normal spline. This normal spline will be useful to draw the unconstrained arcs and unconstrained shapes. See, this one is unconstrained spline. Just you go and select the arc. Here if you select the arc, you can see the arrows and handles. See, this one is arrows and handles. This will be very useful to change the direction and angle of the arc. Now see, you can pull this arrow and you can change the direction of spline. Suppose if you drag this hammer, you can change the angle of spline. You can drag this by holding the end point. Suppose if you want to add additional point, just right click and go insert point, and you can add the additional point. This will be useful for making the flexible of your spline. Now we added the additional point here. Now we can make a angle of spline additionally here. That is the useful of this adding additional points on the curve. You can add the dimensions of, just go for smart dimension and select the 2 points. We can add the dimension. Whatever dimension you want, you can give the value. You can give the dimension for the arrowhead also. You just select the R and you can give the value. You can reduce the length of the arrow also. Next let me see the style plane. Here you can draw the lines and you can form an arc. See, we given the just 4 points and we created arc by averaging the lines. Here also we can edit the dimension and we can move it anywhere by tracking the endpoint. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let me see next video. Thank you.